Good morning, dear students. Already we learned about the introduction to HTML chapter. Some of the topics we already learned this. Now we are going to know more about the HTML. Right. So first of all, before starting the new topics, I want to revise some of the topics that you already learned. First of all, that we learned HTML. What is the HTML? HTML is used for the to make the website, right? So already we learned this thing. Now what is the use of HTML? HTML is used to make the website. This thing we already know. What is the website? What is the web page? First of all, we have to know this thing. First of all, I open the web browser, that is the Google Chrome. Now, for example, I am searching about the Podar International School. Okay, so here you can see some of the links are in front of you. Links means that we divert to you from one page to another page. This is a link, this is the link, this is the link. So this is called the websites. When you click on this one, you can see the web page of the Podar International School. So this is the web page and these are the links that you see, and in which you use the website and the web browser, website and the web pages, that is called the web browser. So simply let's revise all the things. Website. Information on the World Wide Web is stored on the website. A website is a collection of interlinked web pages. Means वो एक पेज से दूसरे पेज पे आपको डाइवर्ट करता है, कनेक्ट करता है. नेक्स्ट वेब पेजेस. सिंपली अभी हमने देखा डेमो, वी टूक वन टाइप ऑफ डेमो दैट अबाउट आवर स्कूल, Podar International School, and you can see the one of the web pages. Web browser, you can view an HTML file as a web page in a web browser. Means HTML web pages बनाने के लिए ही यूज होता है. All the web browser can understand and interpret the HTML. Some popular browsers are used today in the Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox and the Google Chrome. Here are the examples. This is the Chromium and this is the Safari and this is the Opera Mini. What is the HTML? Already we learned all the things. This is only a revision of the topic, so I just read it and you have to listen. If you have any query, you can ask me in the virtual class. HTML is the abbreviation of hypertext markup language. It is a language used to create a web page, that we told. Hypertext is the special text which when click takes you another web page linked to it. HTML has divided into two parts, HT and ML, hypertext and markup language. What is the hypertext? Hypertext is one type of special text that divert from one page to another page using the link. Markup language consists of the text used to the mark the text contained inside them being the certain types. Means markup language is used only for text. आप वेब पेज देखते हो तो वो इमेजेस रखने से या फिर कोई टेक्स्ट रखने से डायरेक्ट नहीं बनता, उसके लिए हमें टेक्स्ट का यूज़ करना पड़ता है. नेक्स्ट इज द फीचर्स. HTML is the simple, it is very understandable and modified. Second, it is used to text to define the elements in the document, therefore it provides the flexible way to design the web pages. It allows the containing the web pages using the hyperlinks, therefore enhance the user's browsing the experience. An HTML document can be displayed on any operating system, therefore it is platform independent. Okay, it's an independent platform. It allows us the developer to add the picture, audio, video to the web pages, making them more attractive and interactive. HTML is not case sensitive. You can type text in lowercase or uppercase, but both texts are same. टैग्स आप लिखोगे तो फॉर एग्जांपल एक टैग है ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग टैग, अगर आप उसको अपर में लिख रहे हो तो दोनों टैग आपको अपर में लिखने पड़ेंगे या फिर दोनों टैग आपको लोअर में लिखने पड़ेंगे। एक अपर एक लोअर इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल इन द HTML. Okay, simply I will be used for the HTML the notepad, so I am here using the notepad. You can also use the notepad plus plus. This is the simple notepad, just I want to show you. I am using the notepad plus plus. If you don't have a notepad plus plus, you can download in your PC, and it's a very simple you can download. So first of all, next topic is the structure of HTML. So simply I first increase the size. I'm just writing, then I will increase. I'm just writing all the thing in the capital HTML. Sorry. Okay, HTML, then head tag. You can see the suggestion also in the head tag, that is a title tag, and you can write down any of the title. For example, I am writing the demo here. Now closing title, then you have to close the body head tag. This is the opening tag, and when you write down the slash in front of the tag, it's called the closing tag. Opening and the closing, two types of the tags. Then body tag. In the body tag you can write down any of the thing, then close the body tag. You can also see the suggestions, and lastly you have to close the HTML tag. Okay, this is the simple structure of HTML. HTML opening, HTML close, head opening, head close, title opening, title close, body opening, body close. Okay, what is the title? You can write down the name here of your program, and you can see at the top of the web page. And body, in the body you can use the some of the text, and you can display in your web page. This is the simple header tag. Head tag means at the top. Head, you know what is the meaning of head. Head means at the top. This is the title tag, and this is the body tag that contains the entire content of the web page. Okay, so simple here, this is the simple way to use the HTML. How to use the, I show the simple structure of the HTML. Now what is the HTML? Creating a web page. Web page is the field with .html or .htm extension. Means you have to be save this HTML file that you write down in the Notepad++. This type of file is created using the hypertext markup language, means the HTML. You can use any text editor or create an HTML file. This is the Notepad++. This is the verb page. More exam, Notepad++ text editor. I use the Notepad++ just because we are now doing the advanced, we are now using the advanced technology. Simple steps to save the HTML file. Type the HTML code in the Notepad. Simple, I write down the structure, then click to the file, save as option, dialog box appear. I will do the work with this file, save as, or directly you can do the save. Here is your simple things that you have to select. For example, you want to select on the desktop, then you can use the desktop. Simply आप जैसे फाइल को सेव करते हो वैसे ही सेव करना है, बस थोड़ा सा ही चेंजेस आएगा. नेक्स्ट select the location where you want to save the file and type the name of file with the .html extension. मीन्स यू हैव टू बी राइट डाउन द नेम ऑफ द फाइल, जैसे कि आप दूसरी फाइल सेव करते हैं तो वैसे ही करना है, बट लास्ट में आपको ऐड करना है .html. सो आई विल डू दैट. हियर आई राइटिंग द नेम demo1.html. if you don't want to do this, then you can select direct here hypertext markup language. Then directly it will be considered as the HTML file and you have to be click on this save. So you can see what is the changes in this. पहले ये सारा black color का था. This symbol will be not displayed to you, minus plus minus plus. For example, when I click on this means head file will be hidden, body hidden. So this is the simple HTML. This is the benefit of Notepad++. आपको नोटपैड में ऐसे चेंजेस नहीं दिखेंगे कि टैग्स होंगे वो ब्लू कलर के होंगे, आप कमेंट्स लिख रहे हो वो ग्रीन कलर के होंगे, इसमें ऐसा नहीं होगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग द Notepad++. सो दिस इज द सिंपल वे टू सेव योर HTML फाइल. एंड इफ यू वांट टू ओपन दिस फाइल, let's open that file and you can see what is the changes here. That is the demo1.html that I saved. You can see there symbol for the browser. यहाँ पे आपको Chrome का सिंबल दिख रहा है. आपने तो टेक्स्ट फाइल बनाई थी लेकिन यहाँ पे तो Chrome का सिंबल दिख रहा है. Why? Just because it's an HTML file. When I click on this, you can see there is a nothing. There is only 3 dots are here. Nothing will be displayed to you. Why? Just because I write down the 3 dots in this. You can see that here, these 3 dots. For example, I am writing the name Udar International School and save. Control S and refresh. You can see name and here you can see the name of the title. मैंने यहाँ पे demo लिखा हुआ. You can see demo, DEMO. But I am changing here my program. Okay, I am write down the my program. So here there is a demo. I am refreshing this. So you can see this my program. मीन्स वो आपके वेब पेज का नाम क्या है, टाइटल वो डिस्प्ले कर रहा है, उसका हेड जो है वो डिस्प्ले कर रहा है. एंड व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ बॉडी, दिस विल बी डिस्प्ले द होल द स्क्रीन. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हेड टैग एंड द बॉडी टैग. हेड टैग वो पे आपको टाइटल दिखाएगा कि आपके वेब पेज का नाम क्या है, और बॉडी टैग है वो आप बॉडी में क्या क्या चेंजेस ला रहे हैं वो सब कुछ आपको डिस्प्ले करेगा. नॉट ओनली दिस थिंग, यू कैन राइट डाउन अनदर थिंग. It's located at Himmatnagar as well as Ahmedabad, and write down the short form. Simply I just want to show you this, so I will take the demo, refresh. Okay, there is a sum of the program. That's why I am using this one. That's why this will be not displayed. So you can see this is the simple way to use the HTML and make the web pages. Now I want to end my session here, and nextly we learn about what is this. So you can see that basic HTML text we will learn on the next Wednesday. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe.